Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just App Store not working and not connecting to the internet on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, just open the settings and just check your internet connection. So just open Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, sometimes it also helps, and just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Also you can try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing, if you're using mobile data or cell data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just open software update and just check your updates. If you have here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you to, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.